This is a 2006, 2005 or 2006 Ford Ranger. So complaining about a rubbing, just a rubbing or like a whining sound when driving coming from the rear. I thought these had a carrier bearing. I was kind of hoping it was that. It doesn't, so it's not that. And when I drove it, I noticed you just barely tap the brakes and the rear left just locks up immediately. It's actually really dangerous. So that's kind of a new issue. This thing was completely extended. I don't know if it was just installed incorrectly. And this side is significantly more worn than the passenger side. And this thing just looked like it was completely out. I haven't pushed this back in yet, just compared to the other side. But so that's not the rubbing issue either. Just listen to this. I checked the fluid. It's got fluid, so I don't know if it ran without fluid or what caused that, but that's bad. So or it got hit or something. I don't know how easy these bearings, that's the input shaft bearing maybe, or something else. I'm not sure. I don't know if that's a normal amount of play for these either. That seems like a lot. Like I kind of felt that when I was driving. So maybe that's normal. I mean, I felt it when I was driving, so maybe this thing was in an accident, I'm not sure. Yeah, here's this side. The shoes are thicker, and that's a normal. It's actually dangerous driving it like this. Well, that still feels like a lot, and this side feels less than the other side as far as the axial movement or end-to-end play. Yeah. Huh. This side's definitely more play. Okay. I'll see what he wants to do. Maybe I'll take the cover off. I'm gonna do the fluid. I mean, I don't want to do the fluid because I think this whole thing's bad, but I don't know if there's something you can fix in there. I doubt it. I think it's completely smoked at this point. He just needs a new rear end. So I'll recommend that. And of course the pads.